In this video I'll show you how to flip your wing upside down and ground handle it in reverse position with its nose facing downwards. This technique can be useful in several situations, such as when your wing accidentally flips upside down during ground handling to turn it back in its normal position. Cleaning your wing from dirt or snow that got stuck inside it. This is particularly helpful when flying in sandy areas such as dunes. Improving your control and brake sensitivity. Practicing this helps you understand your glider better and identifying the stall point of the wing. So how do you flip your wing upside down? While ground handling, face directly towards the wing, pull one brake while releasing the other, and the wing will start to rotate in the direction of the pulled brake. Once your wing is in the correct upside down position, you need to stop the rotation with a fast input. Release the brake you were pulling and instead pull the other brake. Right after you stopped it, you need to apply both brakes to keep the wing in the air. After practicing the next steps I'll show you in a moment, you can learn to keep the wing in the air directly after you've turned it. However, when attempting this for the first few times, it's likely that the wing will hit the ground with quite a big force. As this isn't the healthiest thing to do to your wing, try avoiding it by applying a lot of brake on both sides. It's always better to brake too much instead of too less in this scenario. How can you ground handle with the wing upside down? Once the wing is flipped, focus on brake control. All inputs will now be reversed. Pulling the brakes will make the wing rise and releasing them will make it go down. Think of the brakes as if they were your A-risers. As already said, your wing might frequently fall to the ground nose down with significant force. To prevent this, apply strong and fast brake inputs as soon as you feel the nose starting to drop quickly. This maneuver requires practice and a consistent and strong enough wind to learn it effectively. If the wind is too weak, the wing will only float along the ground instead of rising fully into the air. Once you've mastered keeping the wing stable in this position, you can try to pull and release both brakes in a quick succession, as this will clean it from all the dirt or sand that's stored inside your wing. After that, practice flipping it back upright and downside in both directions, and aim to catch the wing gently during the flip to minimize impact. How do you flip the wing back upright? To flip the wing back to its normal position, use the same principle as flipping it upside down. Pull one brake while applying tension on that side of your harness by turning your hips. Simultaneously, fully release the other brake. It's very important to completely release the opposite brake. Even slight pressure, such as holding the brakes in the shortened position, can make the process much harder, especially in lighter winds or on mini wings and speed wings. This technique is also useful during normal ground handling when your wing accidentally flips upside down. Rather than manually repositioning it every time, you can practice flipping it back upright smoothly. And that's already it. I've also covered other guides and tutorials on my channel. If you want to check them out, links are in the description. So as always, have fun and fly safe.